with cherries on top. Yeah. Shein. Hey everybody! Welcome to my channel. That's Shonda with a D because you know Shonda spelled all types of ways. But anywho, if you've watched any of my other videos, a walking pad, well, finally came in. So that's what I'll be doing today, is opening, unboxing basically, figuring it out, and testing it out. Also, if you watched another of my videos, I talked about a content create, which you may need or may not need. Well, today, one of these came in handy because it is so dark outside. I mean, I didn't know whether to get up this morning or not get up. I didn't know because it was just not getting light. I'm like, it's still dark at 7 a.m. No, that's just today. It's so gloomy, so foggy out, absolutely no sun in sight, which pretty much, that's almost every day here in this state or in my area. Oh, I have my light. This light is so amazing. If you saw the video, you'll go back and see which one that I have. It's really handy, but I'll be bringing that to you today anyways about the walking pad. And like I was talking in that video, the power of walking, okay? This girl here, I need walking in my life. Walking is it's stress relief. It's just a total stress relief. It just makes me personally feel good. But yeah, so I'll come back to you later. See you in a bit. It's time. Let's go get the walking pad. Well, does this mic work? Guess what? It's time. Let's open this walking pad. Oh my God. Wait a minute. What do I do with the scissors? Anywho, I hope y'all can hear me because I bought this mic. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. I bought this mic off of TikTok. Okay? And it ain't working. But I can't even reach out to them to talk about it. It's a plug and play, and I don't know if it's because I have an Android and I have to use like another type of app, but I don't have time for that right now because I'm just trying to record. So I hope that if there's something wrong with this, that they will still let me return it after TikTok comes back. You know, this reminds me of MySpace. I didn't want to get into it about that. CapCut was also going away too. And that's what I used to do my editing. And you know how long it took me to like figure out, like sort of start getting comfortable with editing on CapCut? Now I gotta find another way of editing. Let me go grab it. Wait. Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah. So, I hope everything's in here because it's been a hot minute. I need some scissors. Let me go get some scissors. I need to probably turn off this light that I got. And like I said earlier, with this light, you may need a light. You may need some extra lighting on days that it's foggy, gloomy, doomsday type. Like, you may need it. But anyways, matter of fact, let me show it to you real quick. I know you're like, come on, I want to see this walking pad. Yeah, me too. I'm going to turn off this light. And then I'm going to turn off, how do you turn it off? What? Do you see the difference? Like, are we kidding? Like, that's crazy. This is what I was kind of like, had a problem with before because I was trying to record. I'm like, it's so dark. It's so dark. Like, this is not cute. So here's one of my lights. That's one of them. And then this is the bigger one. Much better. That's on placement. But yeah, watch my other video on becoming a YouTuber. I do talk about items that you need, don't need. And I'm still going to be posting more about that the more, you know, I'm on this journey. So yeah, go back and watch that so you can see what I have. Okay. Oh, unboxing. What? Oh my God, hold on. I just went in a damn circle. So. A box cutter. Hold on. This is so stupid. I don't know my box cutter is, so. Got some sharper scissors. Oh no. Woo! Okay. So, what came with it? I don't know what. This may not be a part of it. I don't know. There's 2 pieces of wood. That was at the bottom. Weird. But I'll leave it out. The running belt if it mistracks. That also comes with it. Because who wants to bend over? Comes with it. Battery for the remote. I don't know if it's an extra or this is the battery for the treadmill. Used for 6 hours. Okay. So yeah, some lubricant oil. So let's get started on testing this baby out. But you know, I gotta read these instructions. Knowing me, I'll miss something. It has rollers. So it rolls really good. These be adjusted. The appropriate amount of lubricating oil. Add 5 milliliters each time. Let me read. Let me read first. I don't know. Malfunction of the remote control, running belt mistracking. So basically the same instructions that are on here are also in the book. Even the attention sheet here, that's also on the first page too. So, so like I was saying here, the machine, the remote controller, the dual purpose screwdriver, silicone oil, manual, backup. Oh, so it says backup button battery. So good. We don't have to purchase another one so soon. Can we use a select speed, countdown mode, 30, rewind distance. Treadmill. Okay, so turn on the switch to start the treadmill. Press the start button. Machine will count down to 3 seconds. Oh Lord. All right, let's try this out. Oh, exactly why I need to get on. Oh, should I put some tennis shoes on? All right, let's go put some on. Let's at least act like we're doing something, right? All right, let's do this. Put some socks on our feet. gonna do this. We're gonna do this right. So, dang it. Oh, I done lost it. So it's already on. Oh, shoot. I'm about to mess it up already. See, this is why you need to read instructions, I guess. So, and the oil is injected into the hole. What? There's a hole? Yeah, I can't. Oh. What a damn hole at? Okay, so. Alright. Because like I said, I'm not playing with walking. The power of walking. That walking is key. Walking, you don't have to like power walk. Just a brisk, nice walk. But just get your steps in. Golden. Let's try this out live and in Quilla. Now I'm gonna, it's counting down. Okay. Okay. I don't think I put enough. I didn't put like a little spidget dot, but I don't think I put enough. Oh, I'm excited about this, y'all. Oh my gosh. Because I'm not exactly where, I'm not going to say you can't walk out by yourself, but I just don't feel comfortable because people is crazy these days. So the fact that I can just be in my house and walk, put something on the TV, act like I'm walking through a forest or a park or something. Is that just me? Oh my God. So I don't know if y'all seen, I thought I was recording this whole time. I've been up here just walking. Start. Okay. Very slow. We're gonna get started. This is at 1.3. This is 2. This feels pretty good. I don't feel like I'm gonna fall off. I don't feel like it's too narrow. I'm like able to just walk. I don't have to put some clothes on and, you know, watch my back when I'm outside walking. Not just my back, my front, corner, side, all them areas. Yeah, so this is about to be me on a daily, there's no excuses, right? So again, the modes it goes through. This is speed mode, and then it switched over to time. So I've been on it for 2 minutes, and the distance 0.06, and then calories says 6 point whatever, but you know, and then my speed is 2. Well, that's all for now. I'm going to go ahead and do like 30 minutes of walking on this. It's no excuse. I don't need to wait until later. So yeah, so I'm about to get it in. 30 minutes. Let's go. So I'll see y'all later another time. And I hope y'all go ahead and get y'all walking in on. And maybe this will motivate you more for in preparation for spring, summer to come. Let's get in shape, y'all. You know, my body weight goes up and down. I don't know about y'all, but mine goes up and down seriously. But I figured out what works for me. But hey, I'm ready to get this workout in, do my 30 minutes, and then go do whatever else I'm going to do. So I will talk to you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a good day. Get y'all walk on. Let me see y'all. 1, 2 step. Hey. So I'm back on here because I want to show y'all I was not playing. I decided to do an hour because in reality, when I actually am walking outside, I walk somewhere for 30 minutes and then I turn around and it should take me 30 minutes to come back. So there you have it. And have 1, 2 steps. All right, bye. Because I'm fat.